Welcome to our Expert Option app tutorial. Today, we will guide you step by step through depositing, trading, and withdrawing funds. Let's start by creating your account. First, download the app and fill in your details to sign up. Next, you'll need to verify your account by uploading documents. The process typically takes 1 to 2 business days. To deposit funds, choose from supported payment methods like credit cards or e-wallets. The minimum deposit amount varies by method. Now, let's navigate the trading interface. Here, you will find various assets to trade along with advanced tools. Ready to trade? We'll take you through the process of placing your first trade step by step. Understanding leverage and risk management is vital for responsible trading. Always trade within your means. Use the app's analytics tools to track your trading performance, keeping you informed and on top of your game. To withdraw funds, follow our step-by-step guide. Withdrawal times will vary depending on your method. In conclusion, remember these tips for successful trading on the Expert Option app. Happy trading!